Question number
42.
what is that?
Square root 1 minus sine A
1 minus sine A
upon 1 plus sine A
upon 1 plus sine A
square root
root over
is equal to cos A
cos A
upon 1 plus sine
upon 1 plus
A sine
sine A. ठीक. So we have LHS, that is root over 1 minus sine A upon 1 plus sine A. ठीक है. So here we will take rationalizing the denominator. ठीक है. When we rationalize the denominator, then we multiply here 1 minus sine A upon 1 minus sine A. Right? This is like this. So ये हो गया 1 minus sine A whole square upon ये हो गया 1 square minus sine square A. Right? You take here root over, so it becomes this is 1 minus sine A whole square upon 1 minus sine square A is equal to cos square A. Right? It is root over. So it becomes, so when we remove roots, then it becomes 1 minus sine A upon cos A. ठीक है. 1 minus sine A upon cos A. This is. But since we have to match the answer, this is not equal to RHS, right? So what you do here, you put plus here, you put plus here. Now what happens if we rub all this, right? Then what happens? There will be root over 1 minus sine A plus sine A means 1 square minus sine square A upon 1 plus sine A whole square. Right? This will turns to cos square A upon 1 plus sine A whole square. Right? We have root over. So on removing, so when we solving the root, means what? Means cos square A whole power 1 by 2 upon 1 plus sine A sine A whole square into 1 by 2. So this 2 and 2 cancel, this 2 and 2 is cancelled. So you get cos A upon 1 plus sine A. That is equal to RHS. Right? So this you have to do. By this method you can only remove